In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from Wix to Squarespace. Whether you're looking to streamline your online presence or make the most of Squarespace's design tools, transferring your domain doesn't have to be a daunting task. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you have all the guidance needed to make this transition as smooth as possible. First, let's begin by logging into your Wix account. Open up Chrome or any preferred web browser and head straight over to the Wix website. Once there, use your credentials to log in. You'll arrive at your Wix dashboard, which is your command center for everything you've built using Wix. Next, you'll need to direct your attention to the domain section. You should be able to find it easily within your dashboard. This section will contain all the information about the domain you currently own and any other related settings. Once in Domains, you want to prepare your domain for transfer by unlocking it. Domains are typically locked to prevent unauthorized transfers, so this step is crucial. Look for an option to unlock your domain and proceed by clicking on it. Don't forget to obtain the authorization code, also known as the EPP code, from the same section. This code is essential as it verifies that you have the rights to transfer the domain. With the EPP code in hand, your next step is to log into your Squarespace account. Again, you'll navigate to the Squarespace website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, locate the Domains section. Under this menu, select Use a Domain I Own, followed by Transfer Domain. These selections will guide you through Squarespace's transfer interface. When prompted, enter the domain name. You're moving along with the EPP code you've just acquired from Wix. This act links your domain to Squarespace and marks the beginning of the transfer process. Squarespace will take it from there and guide you through the remaining steps needed to finalize the transfer. It's vital to keep an eye on any instructions or confirmation messages during this part of the process, as Squarespace will require you to confirm the transfer in some instances. With everything confirmed and set, the transfer will start to progress. Remember, the actual transfer might take a couple of days to complete due to domain registrar procedures. However, you've done all the headwork, so you can rest easy knowing you've set the wheels in motion for a successful transition. By securing this understanding and following these steps carefully, you ensure that your domain migrates seamlessly, allowing you to take full advantage of everything Squarespace has to offer. Thank you for watching, and here's to your successful domain transfer.